Good morning, friends. Hope you all are doing good today. Today the recipe that I am going to prepare is very healthy again because it's going to be prepared with the oats, and apart from that it's very tasty because we are going to prepare the pakoras. So these pakoras again are very tasty and very healthy as well, and very few ingredients we are going to use again to prepare these pakoras. So for that what we need is, again I am taking half a packet of the oats. I am using the Quaker oats again. Then apart from that I have taken 2 medium sized onion, thinly sliced. Again you can slice it in this kind of pieces and keep it. Then I have taken a handful of the coriander, and I have taken 2 green chilies and little bit of curry leaf. So first what we need to do is we need to put all these ingredients in a bowl and add the dry spices and smash it nicely before we add the oats and the besan or the gram flour. Again, gram flour I'm going to just take a spoonful maximum, just to add a little bit of taste and texture, nothing else. So we are not going to use much of the gram flour today. So we'll go ahead and add all these ingredients in the bowl. Add again salt as per your taste. Little bit of chili powder, because we already added the green chilies. So just add a bit of the red chili powder, a little bit cumin powder again for the taste. And I'll add a little bit of the gram flour, very little, not even a spoonful, just a little bit. Now we'll give it a good mix. Just smash all the spices, the onion and the coriander, so that it will release its juices. See friends, I have smashed it nicely. Again, don't use a spoon because you'll not be able to smash it. So use your hand, you can smash it neatly. Now add a bit of turmeric again, just for the color, and again smash it nicely. Now slowly add the Quaker oats. Let it absorb all the moisture that's there in this mixture, and then slowly we'll go ahead and add water. You have to keep adding water gradually. You should be able to hold a kind of proper kind of pakoras in your hand. Till that time you need to add water. Add a bit of Quaker oats again. So yeah, this is the quantity that we are going to prepare. So now I'm just going to add the water gradually. Just keep adding water gradually. Normally it will absorb all the water. So friends, you can see that again I have prepared this dough, or the pakora mixture. So see, it should be like this. You should be able to hold small portions of the mixture together. So till that time you need to add the water. Now it normally doesn't take too much of water. Just keep adding water gradually. Normally if you prepare a besan pakora or a gram flour pakora also, we'll use very little water and more of the moisture from the onions. So same way you should be able to hold it like this. That's more than enough. So you should stop by that and then go ahead and we'll deep fry it. So let's go ahead and fry it. Now friends, we'll go ahead and fry these oats pakoras. I have taken a kadai with a lot of oil. So we'll go ahead and take kind of medium portions like this and fry the pakoras. So put one by one. Friends, fry these pakoras till it's golden brown, and you can serve it with ketchup or a green chutney. This is a very tasty again and a very healthy dish. So please do go ahead and try this recipe. It's really tasty. So friends, our oats pakoras are ready again. It really tastes good again as a snack. So please do try this recipe at home, and if you like the recipe, please do subscribe to Hema Havi Lifestyle Vlogs, and do keep watching again for more updates and for more recipes again. So please do subscribe, and thank you again for watching.